Gosh, Riza. I can't believe they are making us wear these ridiculous costumes this year. Don't they know who I am? I am the program director, for hell's sake.
Oral boards are supposed to be a challenge. But this new tactic is a little over the top.
The new ACGME guidelines are getting worse every year. What's next? I'm having trouble doing my silly walk demonstration with this giant cup thingy.
Well, I'm Broccoli Man. Seriously? What do you suppose my superpowers are going to be? Stinking?
Bahahaha. Good point.
Well, I will show them. I am going to rack up the bill on the room service to levels they have never seen before. Anyway, maybe they will let us keep the suits. I would love to wear this to my kids' tennis matches. That would embarrass them even more than just having me there.
I don't think we are allowed to take them from the premises. What did you think of this year's applicants? I had one testee that I may not pass. He repeatedly mixed up Syn galaxies with manual lock and weight activated friction knee mechanisms. Unacceptable.
I didn't really ask them any questions about medicine. We just shot the breeze. Although I may not pass a couple because they totally didn't laugh at any of my jokes. I was surprised to see Farrell in there. Shouldn't he be taking it next year?
That was a joke I pulled on him again. Lately I have been making him fly across the country to take tests that aren't necessary.
That's hilarious. But why was Brooks here?
That was actually the ACGME who brought him out. They wanted to rile up the testers because they knew he would just argue about the statistical significance of the articles they would be using to ask the questions.
And the other two seniors? Where were they?
Harry's was supposed to be here, but he forgot about it and missed his flight. Then when he finally got on a plane, he ended up in Wisconsin.
Why does that not surprise me?
Egbert came yesterday, but they asked him to leave because he refused to wear a shirt and his answer for everything was to do squats.
I can see that. Maybe I will give him my broccoli suit. Stretchy, tight and paleo, it's perfect.
Well, I can't wait to get back. We need to have a faculty meeting about rearranging all the clinics and decide how we are going to divide up the patients when Crooks is gone.
I think we should just give them all to Chris. Of course he can be very manipulative. And he does have a thing for pregnant chicks.
That's true. No wonder he keeps having kids.
I would ask Emerson to help, but I am afraid. She doesn't let anything get in the way of treating her peds patients.
True. She is a fighter.
Well, I am going to go to my room and order the menu. Want to join me?
Certainly, and afterward we could go for a run in our stretchy pants suits.